In this video, we're going to look at the region booklet related to the upper extremities and the elbow region. With this book, parts 1 and 3 have been completed, and parts 2, 4, 5 and 6 are still needing to be completed. For part 2, you need to identify the origins, insertions and actions of the following muscles. So this needs to be completed for triceps brachii, anconeus, biceps brachii, brachialis, brachioradialis, supinator, pronator teres, pronator quadratus, flexor carpi radialis, extensor carpi radialis longus, and extensor carpi radialis brevis. For part 4, you need to identify the muscles that are used during the following movements: during active range of movement, passive range of movement, and resistive range of movement. So for elbow flexion, active range of movement, the client is supine with the arm flat on the table and the client brings their hand up to their shoulder. Passively, the client is supine with their arm flat on the table and the therapist brings the client's hand up to their shoulder. Resistive, the client is supine and from mid-range the therapist will resist elbow flexion so there is no movement. Now remember, the muscles involved with active range of movement and resistive range of movement are going to be the same. For elbow extension, active range of movement, client is in a supine position, hand on their shoulder with their elbow fully flexed, and they extend the elbow so that the arm ends up straight on the massage table. Passive range of movement, client is supine and the therapist's elbow is in full flexion, taking it up to their hand on the shoulder to straight, being full extension. Resistive range of movement, client is supine and from mid-range the therapist resists elbow extension so there is no movement. Forearm pronation, actively ask the client to hold their arm out in front of them with their palm upwards and then rotate their palm down. Passively hold the client's hand in a handshake grip with their palm up and rotate the palm down. And resistively hold the client's hand in a handshake grip and resist pronation so there's no movement. Forearm supination, actively ask the client to hold their arm out in front of them with their palm facing down, then rotate the palm upwards. Passively hold the client's hand in a handshake grip with their palm down so that you can then rotate the palm upwards. And resistively hold the client's hand in a handshake grip, resist supination so there is no movement. For part 5, for the following special tests, you need to identify what the objective of the test is, what a positive finding for the test is, and how that test is performed. So this needs to be done for a varus stress test, a valgus stress test, Tinel sign. And for part 6, you need to perform and describe the treatment protocols and massage techniques for the following dysfunctions. So again, the region and the condition has been given to you and you just need to outline what massage techniques you would complete. So this needs to be done for extensor tendinopathy, flexor tendinopathy, and MCL or LCL sprain. If you have any questions with this, please chat with Paula or Emily and we can provide further guidance.